How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Okay, welcome to today's science class. In the last class, we already started our first lesson, crop production and management. We started agricultural practice. We already completed 2 steps. Okay, we completed soil preparation, how to prepare the soil for sowing, and the second step we completed how to sowing. Sowing means before going to sowing you have to select best seed, okay, which gives the better yield. And today we are going to learn adding manure and fertilizers. Why to add manure and fertilizers? To increase the nutrients in the soil which are necessary for the plant to grow healthy and to give better yield. For this, manure means organic substance, means animal wastage and plant wastage. Okay, organic substance which is preparing by using animal and plant wastage is used as manure. Okay, in agriculture field manure is the best compared to fertilizers, because fertilizers are the inorganic substances which are preparing in factories. Okay, so adding manure and fertilizers are very important step in agriculture. Next, fourth one is irrigation. Irrigation means nothing but giving water in a proper regular intervals. Okay, in the 2 types are there. One is traditional and second one is modern. Traditional method of irrigation and modern method of irrigation. In traditional method of irrigation, these are the techniques in the ancient people used to give water to the plants. Mode, chain pump, daily and raft. Here, manpower is more and people has to use their energy to give water to the plant. Okay, these all are the pictures are there in your book. If you will see the pictures, you can understand easily what is that. See here, it is mode. See, a person is pulling the rope from the wheel and another one is picking up the pot and he is pouring water. Okay. Next, second one is chain pump. There is a chain technique in this. This will roll from down to, it will pour water to this side to that side to the field. And the next one is daily. See, here one stick is there. From the well, the people has to remove the water and he has to give to field. And the next one is rahat. Here the animal is working to give water to the agriculture field. And the next, modern method of irrigation. In modern method of irrigation, 2 types of irrigation systems are there. One is sprinkler system and the second one is drip system. In sprinkler system, maybe you all have seen the sprinklers in the garden. Okay, it gives like a rain. Okay, it gives like a rain to the plants. And the next one, drip system, it gives to the roots to the each and every plant. In the field, drips will be there which gives to the roots only, particular plant root only it will give the water. And next, protection from the weeds. Weeds means unwanted plants which are not necessary for the field. Okay, and here tilling is one method by which people used to remove the weeds and they will make it reverse, like uproot. In agriculture, weed will grow like this and people used to remove it and they will put on the soil like this. After few days it will decompose and it gives manure to the soil also. Okay, and 2,4-D is one of the chemical which is used to kill the weeds. That is, removing of and killing of weeds are called weedicide. And 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid which is used to kill the weeds in the agriculture. And the 6th one which is very important one, that is harvesting. Harvesting means nothing but collecting the crop from the field. Okay, and here people used to cut the plant and they will separate the grains. Okay, that separation of grain is nothing but winnowing. Okay, threshing and winnowing are the very important techniques in the harvesting. And harvesting, we know harvesting festivals also. Why? Because in harvesting only the crop will come to the farmer's home. So to celebrate that happiness, they used to celebrate harvesting festivals. like Pongal, Lodi, and so on. Next, storage. After harvesting, after bringing the crop to the home, harvesting, the storage is very important. They have to store the food for the future. Okay, they have to save it. They have to protect it from the microbes, from the moths, and from the rodents. And here silos and the granries are the big tanks where farmers used to store the grains. Okay, these are the plant. These are the agriculture practice by which people used to get better yield. From the last year also you learned that, from starting last class also you are learning, along with the plants, animals are the main sources which gives food to us. So in animals to give the, to get the better yield from the animal, that we have to give better food to animal. To get better milk, we have to give better grass to the cows and buffaloes. Okay, this is the first lesson. If you are having any doubt, okay, ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.